Guys, good morning. My dog is fiending to get in the house, but I had to boot him out. Why? Because today we're going estate sailing, maybe thrifting. I just want to hit this estate sale because I will be remiss if there's a sale 4 minutes away from my house and I do not show up. So let's get there. We got the GoPro on body, so let's get some first person perspective and see what's going on at this little local estate sale extravaganza. All right, guys, we just pulled up and ain't nobody here. Perfect. Which is nice. I mean, the pictures did not look promising, but again, this is just close. So hopefully they got some clothes. Stupid.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Oh, it is fancy in here. Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
Jackpot.
Ladies' clothes. A whole bunch of ladies' clothes. This ski jacket is kind of hard. Maui, Hawaii, single. That's it? Dang, this is a crazy Levi's tag on me. This is a sick Levi's tag. Crispy. Hey guys, check these out, dude. These are Pendleton Hillary Clinton swag, like dress suits. Guys, you kidding me? Big Pendleton.
Excuse me, boss. I'm just here with her.
This the whole table?
Yeah.
Thank you so very much. Man. Crystal chandeliers, rocking chairs. Alright. What is going on in the garage? VCR. All right, might go plant 2 in this thing. Got some little planters. I like this white one. I like this white one. Oh man, this phone is crazy. Dude, look at these tongs.
I love gold.
Exquisite. Oh, this is what I've always needed. This is what I've always needed. Dude, look at this old school vacuum. Sears edition. This is so sick. Let's see, we got some coveralls. Essentials. I think that's about it. Oh wait. Dude, the feather duster. Unreal. Oh, unreal. Dude, that sale had so much promise, and I'm leaving with so much disappointment. Those like 70s or 80s Levi's had a huge missing pocket, and they also had like a tear, or someone tried to like make the waist skinnier by stitching them on the interior. Trippy. Just hella sad. And then I left all those Pendleton lady coats just because, dude, I think those are worth like 20 bucks, and I don't really have a predominantly women audience or female audience on my website, so I'm not about to slang Pendleton women's clothes on eBay, bruh. That just ain't me. And then the ski jacket was 20 bucks. What? F. So this is the one item I got. Check it out. It's this nice little sweater right here. Cool pattern, and the texture is like crazy. Like it's like someone skinned a Muppet. That's the only way I can describe this nice texture. Hey, they also had a stuffed dog in there. I don't know if it was real or not. Y'all let me know. But yeah, they had like a taxidermy dog or a highly realistic stuffed animal. Either way, guys, I gotta go home and ship orders. Thank you to everyone who does shop on the website, which is thrift-vintage.com. That is where you guys can grab this one measly piece. But yeah, The people running the sale were convinced I could have sold that ski suit for $100. I ain't paying $20 for that shit. But anyways, man, yeah, we're gonna skedaddle and probably pick it up later in the day. Okay guys, so some hours have elapsed and we're at the next estate sale.
Another one.
It is hot in the middle of the afternoon, but we're gonna see what's going on up in the second one of the day.
Round 2. Fight!
Dang it, dude. I got here on time and they already started the sale. F my life. Hello, hello.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you doing?
Lined up down the side right there. Got all their clothes all out here. Clothes and shoes and stuff. Hat's a hat man.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Excuse me. All right, jackets, $20.
Wait a minute!
Wow,
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
that is not good. So does that mean these are $20? This can't be real life. Gold all on it. They have sick jackets. But $20? What size is this? XL Carhartt for $20? Jesus.
I wish I might.
$6 for pants. Yo, this shirt is amazing. Hey, then I actually found a grail, despite the fact that this was still gonna be $20. 1989 Carhartt with the corduroy hits. I had to go ahead and throw that on wrist. You dig? Excuse me, are these $20 too?
Yes, sir.
The windbreakers are?
That like the plain color ones wouldn't be.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you.
Yo, what's up? How are you?
Long time no see.
I know, right?
I saw you and I was like, see?
Nah,
I know
man,
you
they're
got all the good.
nah, these jackets are $20. Like,
Okay, they're tripping now.
that's what I'm saying.
Right, like, bro.
Personal foul tripping.
Personal foul. Tripping.
I'm like, man, like tuck
It's
your
not
leg.
that deep.
Tuck your leg
Can I see
in.
the hat stuff?
Yeah.
Cute. Oh, I love that.
Which one, the fishing one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You have a good one?
All right, you too. Dang, this is a cool room. Kind of sets the vibe with the pink burgundy. Oh, majestic. Oh, look, another creepy dog. Is this a purse? All right. This poster is hard. $24. Hell no, bro. All right, then I took my talents to the garage. I found this cool Native American Western art book, had to grab it, and they had yet a Naja one, and then I found this cool small engine hat, complete with a wasp nest. Just what I wanted. Oh, thank you so much. All right. Okay, guys, we're out of there, man. Jesus, Lord Christ Almighty in heaven above. The prices were absolutely astronomically high. Like, dude, I know that we're about to be in a recession, but the inflation at the estate sales alone have been absolutely stupendous. Tripping. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got right now. Right now, I'm gonna break it down in the back of the Aerostar. So here we go with the quick breakdown. We got this Carhartt super vintage, crafted with pride in the United States of America 1989 jacket. And the reason I know it's from 89 is because it literally says that in the button. It says from 1889 to 1989. This is a 100-year anniversary with the corduroy hits all on the details. And then you have the new school, but still cool Carhartt jacket. This actually has something in the pocket. Dang, Dad, look at these nuts. So it has pecans in the pocket. Perfect. Maybe I'll munch on those on the way home. Y'all know I studied art in college, so I love me some Native American art. It pretty much is the only way to bring the Great Plains to life. And then you have the small engine technician. I thought this was just a funny hat in terms of subject matter. Tons of cobwebs, and it does have a wasp nest all up in it, so that's cool. Little mud dauber. And it appears that it did make this clean. I'd rather be fishing hat dirty, so I got that for $4. And then the last piece that I did purchase in there was this nice deer hat, and this is super sick because it does have that big old white rope, and you guys know we stay shooting ropes.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh Lord. Okay, so it is extremely hot, man. I'm sweating, but the reason I bought those tax items was because I literally drove like 30 minutes to this estate sale, and me leaving empty-handed after putting like $100 of gas in this vehicle just was not an option. So there was way less meat on the bone for me to purchase items that, or for me to make profit off items I purchased there. But regardless of the fact, I had to recoup some of my time and efforts. So thus is life. But anyways, while we're out in the country, we're gonna go ahead and check out some other little thrift stores along the way. Okay guys, we have arrived at the Thrifts. I love small town America, dude. And I love thrift stores in small town America. So we'll see what's going on up in here, dude. Hopefully a little something. Dude, these knife hats are so sick, especially the pink ones. Dude, shout out Wilkins for the custom knives. Y'all don't think I'm finna get all these? Hold on, $2 a piece? Dude, I would be remiss. Construction worker, high visibility, neon highlighter yellow. Hello. Oh yeah, these are nice.
Nice.
I'm cashing out on these dudes. $2 a pop. Maybe we'll sling the yellow ones for like $7. Okay guys, so it seems the high prices were not exclusive to the estate sales. Dude, $25 for a tree of these Carharticus.
Wait a minute.
No, Lord no. Dang, they got some cool ass glass. Hold on, I don't need any of these mugs, but Shamu? That boy just swan diving. Space Center Houston, you got another Shamu for Anna? Dang. Yo, they got more of the customs. Oh, this one had nothing on it. Yo, they got some blue ones too.
Perfect.
Hold on. I think the pink ones are easily the best, but y'all know we need some color variety. We need some color variety in our lives. Yo, this is great. Dude, this is great. They have so many of these damn hats. Okay, I'm gonna leave some of them just for other people, and I don't know how sought after these will be, but guys, they have the Grumman F14 hat. This one is super sick. This one's $3. I don't even blame them. But yeah, let's get some more of the pink ones. Guys, the rest of the hat section is just stuffed with flavors. You got some cool minor league hats. You got Beacon Lakes. I really wanted that to be Bacon Lakes. I found this really sick, only 90-cent Angleton Bank of Commerce hat. Just the colorway, hella earth tones, and you have a Longhorn on there in the state of Texas. It gets no better. You also got the Horsemen, the P-51 flight team. Look at that patch. Are you joking me, guys? There's not a cross. He's not a crusader. There's a freaking plane instead. What a divine design. Dude, they have a bunch of Astros hats too. This one is pretty clean because it is Nike and has the script on the back. This is like a hat haul. $5 though. Trippy. These are actually in pretty darn good condition. Just $5 is a little bit pricey. 40 cents. A 40-cent hat. This could be Marlboro. Hold on, man. Hold on. Look at this essential. First of all, red and blue, just classic colors. $7. Polo, golf. Hit the links in style, bruh. Full Happy Gilmore mode. Get pieced up by Bob Barker. Oh my God. All right, even the accessory section is incredible. They got the skates they can just chunk onto the bottoms of your shoes. And yes, they got the 2-pack, so you're not left looking weird. And then they have this really sick coin bank globe. Bro, this store is hitting. They also got like golden raccoon plates. Hold on. Like, look how commemorative these dudes are. Unreal. Unreal. Look at this lady's face. All right, guys, we're about to wrap it up. We got a couple other cool things. You got the does not play well with others bull tee, and then you also have the old school Nike V-neck size small made in USA. And then I saw this hat, and dude, You got the Hard Rap Cafe. Hold on. Flex Fit Back. Dude, this hat is so funny. It is absolutely crusty on the inside and it's $5, but dude, this is such a funny hat. And then I also found the Jack Russell Brewing Company two-tone vintage strap back, Port Authority. Y'all already know what time it is. Only $3. And yeah, dude, we're smacking it here. Guys, I love life, man. It's so funny that the country thrift store actually came through, and I don't care what anyone says, those Wilkins knives hats go absolutely dumb. And then we got a couple other pieces. I grabbed the Astros Nike hat. Guys, wow. And I actually didn't grab all the hats because I figured someone else might come through and actually want one themselves to rock. So I left a few in every color in the store. So yeah, I mean, depending on how well they sell, I could potentially come back, but I'm not really tripping on leaving some cool hats for other people or potential resellers. I mean, that's the circle of life. So anyways, I'm stoked. I need to go drop off some mail at the post office, but dude, huge hat in Carhartt haul. It's crazy. Okay guys, real quick, man, if we're in the vicinity, I'm gonna stop by a Goodwill. I feel like my luck is bubbling. I called it outside of the doors. Hold on, man, my hands are full of stuff, full of items, full of divine thrift blessings. I need somewhere to set all this stuff to display it. All right, this little piece of mahogany will work. Okay guys, check out the finds. First and foremost, got this little vintage Disney Tigger t-shirt right here. One of a kind quality, super cool Tigger script. Now the price is not $6, which is very excessive for a t-shirt. But then I found a little hometown banger in the jersey department. Yo, the Houston Dynamo, nice Chester cheese puff Cheeto color scheme, but I really like the black on it. Very crispy jersey. I don't know, I'll throw it up on the site, but I might keep it. And then I saw an employee pull this out the back. Dallas Mavericks, that boy Eric Dampier. Oh, what is that? Dampness. It's moist in French. I gotta grab this. Then single stitch Realtree camo, and I like that the neck has this little black highlight all up on it. That definitely is a real treat. And then check this out, you have the Mardi Gras drag racing tee. Now this is 2011, but guys, it got an old school slab on it. Helmets, it has a dude on a motorcycle, and the front is crazy as well with the Nitro Jam. Yo, this shirt is just unreal. I've said it multiple times, dude. We got some unreal thrift finds in here today. This is $6, unfortunately. And then, you know, something that maybe Walmart or Target used to slang, you got the little alien tee. All right, guys, we're up out of there. Another one in the books. Hey, one of the workers watched the videos. That's super cool. She said her dad watches the video. So Sean, if you're watching this, I love you. All right, anyways, we got some good stuff in there. Let's take our talents home. So we're home right now, man. Or at least I'm home. I'm gonna take you home with me. And we got a ton of things in today's video. This was a very random trip to the thrift, but I just love having sleeves of hats in my hand. That's what I'm gonna call these, are sleeves of hats, because that's what they are. I mean, we have just tons of hats. The Carhartt jackets were super cool. And of course, if y'all want this stuff, it's gonna be available on thriftheavenvintage.com. I'm gonna try and get it all up today. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos that will be dropping soon. This was just a random day where I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get my butt up and I'm gonna go to some sales. I'm gonna cruise around, go a little bit out in the boondocks and try and find some amazing things. So hopefully y'all did like this content. Smash the like button if you did, and stay tuned. More videos are coming soon. And if there is a lag on videos, it's because I'm a dad now, all right? But peace, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'll see y'all soon. I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.